I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mat and cartridge are compatible, intact, and within date. This prevents low efficacy. Next, position the unit on a stable surface about 0.5 to 1 meter from where you sleep so vapor disperses across the area. Do not tuck it under fabric. Once positioned, plug it in and allow the indicator light to stabilize for roughly 1 minute. This primes the heating element and readies the mat to release active agent evenly. You insert the cartridge until you hear a click, ensuring contact for consistent heat transfer. This prevents weak vapor output. Then select a runtime, continuous for heavy mosquito presence, 4-hour for short sleep, or 8-hour for overnight protection, because dosage and exposure time determine repellency. Once done, close windows partially for the first 30 minutes to help the plume spread uniformly. Then make sure to ventilate lightly to maintain. You finish by turning the unit off and unplugging it, then wait until it cools before removing the cartridge. This avoids burns and preserves seals. Store replacements in a cool, dry location out of sunlight and reach of children so potency stays intact. If you notice weak vapor or reduced protection, make sure to reseat the cartridge. Wipe the electrical contacts with a dry cloth and replace any expired mat. This troubleshooting step fixes most performance problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.